Tip 82. Driving. Driving plate tectonics forces. Driving automotive vehicles. Driving a motor. Tip 82. Exercise. Complete. The primary driver of plate movement is convection currents. In the earth mantle, earthquakes are primarily driven by plate tectonics. The most fundamental requirement to drive a vehicle is obtaining a valid driving license. Insurance is fundamental to drive a vehicle. A working engine is fundamental to drive a vehicle. The main purpose of a motor driver is to act as an interface between a control system and an electric motor. Please subscribe to the channel not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.